Okay, I was out riding and my tire just popped. So just want to show you this technique to find out if something in your, well, my inner tube popped, but to find out if something in your tire, you know, some sticker or something that's in your tire. So what I do is I rub my hand under, see I have my fingers underneath the tire. I taking the inner tube out. I'm just checking the tire to see if I feel anything prickly. So when I did, something stuck me right about here. And if you can see, there's this sticker right there. And when I was sliding up under the tire, it poked me. And this is what caused my tire to pop. So I'm gonna get some tweezers or some pliers, pull this sticker out before I put the new inner tube in, because if I didn't, you know, it would just pop the tire again. So remember, just slide your fingers under here and just feel for anything prickly, you know, all the way around the tire. I'm just doing it right here to show you a demonstration to see if you can find out why the tire popped. And like I said, when I did that, something poked me, and it's right here. And if I could show you underneath, something is sticking me right up under here, and this is what popped my tire. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Thanks. So I actually pulled the sticker out, and I don't know if you can see it, the tweezers that I use. This is the tweezers that I use, but see how thick this sticker is? So this is what popped my tire. I pulled it out with some tweezers out of the tire. I popped my inner tube. Pulled it out. I pulled it out with some tweezers. These are tweezers.